In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and export a conversation on Slack. If you want to keep a secure local backup of important chats, project discussions, shared references, or message history, Slack gives you two practical ways to do it. The first is a full workspace export, which is meant for people with administrative access. The second is a simple manual copy method for saving a specific direct message or private conversation when you don't have admin permissions. I'll walk you through both approaches clearly so you can use the one that fits your access level. To begin with the full workspace export method, open Slack either in the desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Once your workspace is open, go to the top left area of the screen and click the workspace name in the sidebar. This opens the main management menu. From there, look for Tools and Settings, or in some workspaces, Administration, and then choose Workspace Settings. This will open the Workspace Settings page in your browser where the export tools are located. When that settings page finishes loading, look toward the top right area of the page and find the option labeled Import/Export Data. Click it to open Slack's Data Transfer and Export section. Once you're there, make sure the Export tab is selected. Then choose the date range for the export. Depending on what you need, you can select something like the last 30 days, all time, or a custom range. After setting the time range, click Start Export. Slack will then begin preparing the export on its servers. This process packages the conversation history and related data into a downloadable zip file, so it may take a little time depending on the size of the workspace. Once the export is finished, Slack updates the export page and makes the file available. Go back to that same data export screen and click the download option, which may appear as ready for download or as a download link. The zip archive will then download to your computer, usually into your default downloads folder. If you don't have administrative access, use the manual direct message backup method instead. Open the private chat or direct message you want to save from the left sidebar. Click at the beginning of the conversation section you want to archive, then hold the shift key, scroll to the end of the section, and click again to highlight that range of messages. With the conversation highlighted, right-click and choose Copy, or use the standard keyboard shortcut for copying. Then open a text editor or document app, click into a blank page, and paste the content. Your selected messages will appear in order, making it easy to save or organize them locally. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.